Having your own expert advisor that auto trades on MetaTrader 5 can be super exciting, but sometimes you want to turn it off so that it stops trading on your behalf, for whatever reason. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do that with 3 really easy methods. Each of the methods I'm going to show you today require you to be on your MetaTrader 5 terminal. So if you're using a VPS, log into it before following the rest of this tutorial. The first method is using the algo trading button that's at the top of your MetaTrader 5 terminal. And this has 2 states, a green play state which will allow auto trading and a red stop state which will pause all auto trading on that particular terminal. If you want to turn off your auto trading, set it to red. The next method allows you to remove a specific expert advisor from one of your charts, particularly helpful if you have multiple different advisors running on different charts. To do this, simply right-click on the expert advisor that you want to remove and push remove. The final option is pretty dramatic, but it does work. Simply close your MetaTrader 5 terminal and that will pause all auto trading on that particular terminal. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about how MetaTrader works, check out some of our other episodes where we go through the real basics of using MetaTrader 5.